Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching on walking you through how to earn $100 or more from Google sites and forums. So the tactics I'm going to be showing you today, only few people know about this tactics, so it's very important to stick with me on this video while I walk you through these new tactics and these brand new methods that it's going to earn you some couple of dollars online. And this method is available all around the world, and you can withdraw your earning in different ways. There are different ways you can withdraw your money from this particular website I'm going to be showing you. So with that being said, my name is Matthew and this is my channel, and on this channel I make tutorial videos around making money online. I talk about apps that pays you for doing stuff, websites that pays you as well. I also talk about CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. But on today's video I'm going to be talking about something else that is brand new. So if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, it's very important to subscribe to this channel. Smash the subscribe button, then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome video or better video than this one you're about to watch, I'm going to notify you, or YouTube is going to notify you that hey, I just posted a new video. And if at the end of this video or during this video you gain value, it's very important you like this video. Just like this video, it will help me with the YouTube algorithm to reach more people. And if you have any questions or anything you want to say, probably thank you Matthew, or let's get this money, or you're super excited, because I'm super excited to share this method with you, you can go on the comment section right now and type leave me a comment there, and I'll be glad to look at it in the comment section. So with that being said, let's go straight into the video. So first of all, you want to open up your Google sites. First of all, you want to go to google.com on your phone or your computer. You want to go to google.com real quick. Once you go to google.com, leave that open, then you go to this next site that I'm going to be showing you. It's called shrinkme.io. Probably must have heard, or you might have heard about this website. This is a website that pays you for shortening URL, and I've talked about shortening URL on how to earn money, sharing your links by shortening URL and sharing this URL to get paid. That video is showing at the top right hand of the screen right now. You can go ahead and check it out after watching this video, and I'm sure you're going to gain lots of value and you're going to earn money, lots of dollars, if you do exactly what I talked about in that video. But in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a different method, a different tactics, and I'm going to be showing you how to get traffic. And I was talking about Greenland in that video. I was saying I don't know where Greenland is. I went and made research and I found out how you can get people from Greenland to click on your link and earn money. So I advise you don't click off on this video and go to shrinkme.io to go and try things out for yourself. You might not get it right, so it's very important to stick with me on this video to the end so that you get the full tactics. So first of all, when you open up the site, this is what it's going to look like, and I want to show you some stuff real quick. I want to show you the payout rates. And guys, I'll be leaving my link in the description box below, because you're going to be getting $1 on sign up bonus $1. One thing I love about this site again is, as you can see here, it's a minimum payment is $5. So once you earn up to $5, you can start withdrawing your earnings. And also payment frequency is daily, so their payment is daily. Every day they do payout, so it's not limited to once a week or once a month or month ending. So every day, once you have your $5 or you want to earn more before you withdraw, whichever way you want, you can. Next, why I love this site is that it have different payment methods. So you can, like I said earlier, you can do this from any part of the world. You have Bitcoin, you can withdraw through Bitcoin, through PayPal, through Payout, Web Money, Z, Airteam, Perfect Money, bank transfer, and so on and so forth. For those in India, this is also good for those in India, because you can withdraw through bank transfer. If you're not in India, you can withdraw through Bitcoin, PayPal, Payout, and the rest of them. If you scroll down here, I was talking about Greenland. You can see for every 1,000 people that clicks on your link, you're going to be paid $22, guys. That's some money that will be enough for you to do some certain things for yourself, at least. And for Ireland, you get $16. For United States, you get $7, and so on and so forth. So stick with me on this video, because I'm going to be showing you how to get traffic, people from Greenland, Ireland, United States to click on your link. Every other person can also click on your links, and you can accumulate this money for yourself and withdraw at once. So it mustn't be that you just focus on Greenland, Ireland, and the rest of them. You can do it worldwide. You just that Greenland pays more and Ireland pays more, so that's why I want to be focusing on those two particular countries. So that's the payment rate. So I want to show you the payment proof to let you know that this site pays out real money. This is not fake, this is real. As you can see, people are withdrawing every day. People are placing withdrawal, and you can see these are withdrawal screenshots that are being uploaded here. As you can see, it goes on and on and on. The list is endless and all of that. When you come on this site, you can check that out as well. So first of all, when you come to this website, you want to go click on register, and it's very easy to register. So I'm just going to register real quick. You put a username you want to use, you want to put your email, you want to put in a password, definitely a password that nobody can figure out. So I'm going to put that in. Then you have to retype your password again. So that's what I'm doing now. So beautiful. I put in my password. I'm gonna click I'm not a robot real quick and verify that. Then click I agree. Let me see what's down there. Sign up. If you want to make this sign up real quick, you can do that with your Google. I didn't see that. I would have used that, but I already filled it. So I'm gonna click on register. It's going to check my browser. It's going to load. Just give it a while. It's going to come up. Your account has been created, so I'm going to log in. So I'm going to log in my account that I just created now. I'm going to click I'm not a robot again. I'm going to fill that up. Okay, I'm going to fill that up. Then I'm going to sign in. Now guys, this is what it looks like. This is what your dashboard is going to look like when you register. So first of all, after registering, you want to now want to go to YouTube now and want to copy a URL of a video from YouTube. So after registering, you go to YouTube. Probably you should have YouTube on your phone. If you don't have it, you can go to youtube.com. everybody, so far you have a Gmail account, you already have a YouTube account already. So you want to go to YouTube and you want to search for you can use any niche, like I said in my previous video that I did about shrinking apps and getting paid. You can use any video of your choice, but on this video I want to be using weight loss video, because there are people out there who wants to lose weight and they are looking for ways to lose weight. So we are going to be sharing links to videos they can go and watch so that they can practice it and lose weight. So when you come on YouTube, you want to search for weight loss video, and that is going to open up. and you want to come to filter here. You want to choose the one that is recently posted, probably this week. We need something recent. We don't want old videos. We need something that is working recently. I want to pick the one that is trending. As you can see, this one was posted new about 2 days ago, this one 5 days ago, this one 3 hours ago, and it has 8,400 views already. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to open up this first one. Is opening. Just give it a while. I'm going to pause that. Okay, I'm going to pause that. Then what you want to do is at the top here, you want to at the top here, you want to copy the URL at the top, the whole URL at the top. You want to copy that, and you want to come back to your Shrink Me account, and you want to click on here that says shorten, new shorten link. Then click new shorten link. Then you want to paste the URL that you just copied. Now paste it right there. Probably you might want to add probably something, let's say weight loss tactics. Let me just, you can come up with something. I don't have time to think of something right now, so you can just put on weight loss tactics and click on shorten. And this is our link. This is our link we are going to be sharing, and probably you want to copy that here. You copy that. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google. Like I said, you should go to google.com, and you want to search for weight loss forum. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money using Google sites and Google forums. So when you come on here, search for weight loss forums, and you're going to see lots of results. You want to open them up, each and every one of them you see on here, and you want to join them. These are people that want to lose weight, so you want to join them. As you can see here, you can come on this site and you want to create an account. There are lots of threads, a lot of threads on this website. This is a weight loss forum. It's say weightlossforum.com. You want to sign up and you want to start pasting your links on here, and people are going to click on your link to go and watch the video you're talking about. Probably you can come up with a little write-up or a little script that talk about the video you're sending them to, and tell them they are going to lose weight massively. Or you can tell them a story of someone who watched the video, or the person lose weight in a couple of days and all of that. Just add it up and post it there, and people will be curious to go and see the video, and as they are clicking on the link, you're earning money even while you sleep. So you want to go on this website and you want to sign up. You come to this next one, you see on here it said register. You go to the next one, the same thing. As you can see, there are lots of threads on here, and they're having thousands and thousands and thousands of messages on these threads, lots and lots of them. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to focus on getting people from Greenland. So on your Google, you want to go to this place. This, if you can see my mouse on the screen right now, you want to go to these settings. Then want to go to advanced search real quick. So guys, if you're getting any value from this video, it's very important you like this video if you're getting any value, and I'm sure you're getting any value and you've learned a new thing or you're about to learn a new thing on this video. Like this video and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome content, I'm going to notify you. And if you have any questions so far, you can leave that in the comment section below. I just want to say thank you, Matthew. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time to go do that right now, and let's get back to the video tutorial and get back to making money. So once you click on advanced search, it's going to bring you on here. You want to navigate to any region where it says any region, and you want to scroll down and look for Greenland. You want to scroll down and down and look for Greenland. You can do this for any country you want to target. Greenland seems to be very far. Greenland. Okay, just give it a while. It should be somewhere here. Okay, that's Greenland. So you want to click on Greenland. Once you click on Greenland, you want to click advanced search here. So it's going to bring out, once you click on that, it's going to bring out forums that are peculiar to Greenland. And if you come on here, you're going to see lots of them, though they are quite few. Just 1 page to just 3 pages of them. So this is how you get people from Greenland are going to click on your link. And as you saw on here on shrinkme.com, you're going to be getting $22 for 1,000 people that clicks on your link. So this is how to get Greenland, and you can as well do the same and go go to settings, go to advanced search, and come on here to region again and search for island. You can as well search for island on here and do the same thing, guys. So that's basically how you make money online using this Google trick that I just showed you. So guys, like I always say, don't just watch this video, probably watch it the first time, then on the second time you practice as you watch. So guys, this is basically how you make money online using Google and Google Forums. So for more ways to make money online, there will be 2 videos that's popping up on your screen right now. Just click on any one of them and go check it out, and I know you're going to gain lots of value. And if you practice well, you're going to watch on the video, I'm sure you're going to earn money like every other person is earning. Like I show you on this Shrink Me, I showed you people that are earning and are withdrawing already, and I'm sure if you do the same, you are going to earn money as well. So guys, till I see you on my next video, remain blessed, stay safe, and keep grinding.